Jennifer DiDomenico. I'm the entertainment editor for the Osceola News Gazette, and today we are at Epcot getting an inside look at the Disney's Candlelight Processional. As you can see, it is happening behind me right now. I'm about to check out the next show, but I just want to tell you guys a little bit about it first. It is a nightly show. It plays every night at 5, 6:45, and 8:15 p.m. There are different guest celebrity narrators every night as well. Tonight is Jodi Benson, who is the voice of the Beast from Disney's Beauty and the Beast film. Also, special thanks to Walt Disney World for providing me with free tickets for tonight's performance and free admission to Epcot for the day. I'm really excited to spend the day here with my family and to catch the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome this evening's special guest narrator, Whoopi Benson.
You've picked a very special time to be here. This is the diamond anniversary of the Candlelight Procession. Walt Disney himself created the first Candlelight Processional at Disneyland 60 years ago. During all these years, literally millions of guests have enjoyed the Christmas story, the traditional carols, and especially the glorious music of the holiday season. To continue this marvelous heritage, I invite you to sit back and enjoy our incredible orchestra. Gorgeous and talented people. The sound right here is amazing. I wish every one of you could just, why not? Anyway, I love this job. Even the Beast likes it. But he wants me to, get out! I hope you have a very safe and wonderful and loving holiday season. Let's love one another. Thank you.